Welcome to TieTube, everyone. We got so lucky. We went out in the wild at Walmart and we picked up 2, 4, 5, 12 card value packs, Optics Donruss. Let's see what we can get, guys. Let's see what we can pull. Super excited. Maybe we can pull some green velocity parallels. Let's freaking go. Insane. Insane. All right. Starting off, pack number 1, Marvin Jones, Ronald Jones, Patrick Queen, Aaron Donald, Chase Claypool, Frank Clark, Brett Favre, let's go, Michael Strahan, John Riggs, Tyreek Hill, Peyton Turner, Lamar Jackson, what? My house. All right. We will take that. First hit, Lamar Jackson. Maybe we can get a downtown. Whoa, that would be insane. I've only seen one video where a gentleman hit a downtown pulling from these value packs, which was, I think, a Jamar Chase downtown. Super lucky. Very happy for him. It can be done, guys. It can be done. Downtown, where you at? I believe it's the second to last pack. Oh, we have a Caleb Farley. Green velocity. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That's insane. Starting off hot. Starting off hot, man. Holy smokes. Caleb Farley. We got a top load this guy as well. Lamar Jackson. But wow, guys. I hope you guys find some of these out in the wild at retail value yourselves. See what you can get. See what you can pull. Maybe a Justin Fields or a Justin Herbert. That would be nuts, man. That would be nuts. Oh, we got another green. We got another green prism. Velocity. We have another green velocity, I believe. Jamal Adams, Robert Tonyan, Justin Herbert. Let's go. Let's go. Chase Young, Dan Marino, the GOAT, Michael Gallup, Rondell Moore, and who do we have? Zaven Collins, linebacker, Cardinals. Wow. We got 2 green velocity parallels and 1 My House, Mr. Lamar Jackson. Guys, 2 packs to go. Let's see what else we can get. Let's see if we can do the unimaginable, the unthinkable. Pull a downtown. That would be just nuts. DeAndre Hopkins, Sean Alexander, Robbie Anderson, Austin Eckler, Clinton Portis, Nelson Aguilar, Dak Prescott, David Montgomery, Michael Carter, and a Jamar Chase. Wow, guys. Let's freaking go. We got 3 green velocity parallels out of 5 so far. Insane. Insane in the membrane, guys. Insane in the membrane. Last pack magic, or could it be the last pack tragic, guys? So far, not bad. Not bad. Last pack. Let's see what we can get. Let's get a downtown for you guys. Let's get a downtown. That would just be the icing on the cake. We have Devin White, Ray Lewis, Eric Dickerson, Deontay Johnson, David Johnson, Adam Thielen, Cole Beasley, Allen Robinson II, Travis Kelce. Here we go, guys. Aaron Rodgers, Andre Ciscos. What is this? Antonio Winfield, Rising Suns. What is that? Let's go. Let's go. Guys, super awesome pulls. Let me know. Let me know, what do you guys think was the best pull? We got this one, the Rising Suns. We got Jamar Chase, green velocity parallel. We have a Zaven Collins. We have a Caleb Farley. And then we have a Lamar Jackson My House. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little quick video. You guys stay well, be safe. Until the next video, guys. Bye.